Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now by powering off and disconnecting the Momentum 4. Grip the pad at the inner rim and pull outward. You want constant, even pressure so clips release without ripping the foam. Work your fingers around the circumference in small increments rather than one big yank. If resistance increases, pause and find the next clip. Forcing it risks tearing the leather or deforming the cup. Once the pad detaches, set it aside on a clean surface for inspection. You'll clean the speaker rim with 70% isopropyl on a lint-free cloth to remove oils that prevent seating. Align the new Earpads inner channel with the cup lip, matching any notches or tabs. Start at the top so alignment stays consistent. Press the inner flange into the shell and move clockwise, using finger pads to tuck the rubberized bead into the groove. Make sure you feel a series of secure clicks. Those indicate the retention clips are engaged correctly. Once installed, wear the headphones and check the seal and comfort. A good seal equals bass retention and proper ANC performance. Power on and play familiar audio at low volume to confirm channel balance and absent rattles. If you notice gaps, uneven fit, or changes in sound, remove the pad and receipt from the same starting point, or inspect the flange for tears or debris blocking the groove. One troubleshooting tip: if clips won't engage, warm the pad gently with your hands to increase flexibility and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.